Hi, this tutorial will explain how to use the project management functionality in the UNICASE client. In the UNICASE client you can annotate action items to any model element within the project. For instance, if you have a look at that functional requirement shopping, you might notice that there is no description, which is very bad for understanding the functional requirement. So you might add a new action item to this functional requirement and assign someone to fix this. You can assign the action item to someone, that is the person responsible for solving the action item. You can select a due date when the action item must be completed. And finally, you have to select the activity the action item is part of. So in this case, this is the analysis activity. Also notice that because you have selected to add an action item to shopping, it is now already in the annotated model elements. In this section there are all the model elements that are somehow related to the task that has to be done. The more items you add to the annotated action items, the easier it is for the assignee to complete and understand the task he should be doing. Note that there are also other work items. An action item is a work item, that is bug reports and also issues. A bug report is just a report about a bug that occurred in an application, and an issue is a problem that you want to discuss about within your project. So for instance, I could also add an issue to the shopping requirement. Should this requirement be refined, to discuss whether we need more refining requirements for the shopping requirement. I can also assign this issue as any other work item to an assignee that is responsible for solving this issue in that case. And I also select an activity this issue occurred in and belongs to, and that is in this case also analysis. Also note again that the issue is again linked to automatically linked to the shopping requirement and can also be linked to other model elements that are involved in solving that issue. Finally, you should add every work item into a work package, a containing work package that is a bunch of work items that are completed together. So the most prominent work package in this project is the Sprint 1, Sprint 2 and Backlog. In this case we use the Scrum methodology, and the sprint is a number of work items that has to be completed to complete this work package. So I'll add it to the Sprint 1 work package by selecting Sprint 1 as containing work package. And now you can note also that Sprint 1 now additionally contains the issue and the new action item. Now for your everyday life, to find out what are the tasks that are assigned to me and what do I have to do, there is a new view, that is the task view. The task view is already part of the UNICASE perspective, but can also be activated anytime by selecting Window, Show View, and then selecting Task View, as for any other view within Eclipse. In the task view you can see all the work items that are part of the project. You can filter down all the action items only to the ones that refer to you or to your team. And additionally, you can also activate it also already completed action items. But the most common use case is probably that you only want to see your action items that are not completed yet. And I can see that here are one action item and one bug for me. One is the new action item I entered earlier, and the other one is a detector does not work bug. The note that one of them is actually assigned to me, while the other one is assigned to nobody yet, but I'm the creator. So all action items, issues, and work items in general that are not assigned to anyone will show up in your task view so that they don't get lost within the project. Okay, this tutorial explained the basic components of the project management features in UNICASE that are work items that can be assigned to any model element in the model. There are different kinds of work items. There are action items, bugs, and issues. And there are also work packages that consist of several of these work items. Additionally, we have shown the task view where you can see your own tasks, all tasks, or the tasks of your team that are either completed or that are either not completed yet, or all of them in one view.